Alright guys, we out here fishing. Got Kenny Nolan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we got our lines out. Hopefully we'll get something. It's not bite time yet, but we see a little bit of action right now.
I can unstack that.
But yeah, alright. We'll check in back with you later, alright? Peace out. Bye. Oh shit. You got it?
Do you want me to take a picture?
No, just take a video. Alright guys, we got a small drum. The drone's in the air. Quick, yeah, small guy.
Decent, yeah.
Yeah.
Decent.
Alright guys, we'll check back with you later, alright? Peace out. Alright, we got Kenny out here. Almost got some fish. Fish is circling right now. So, we just gotta get him in there. Is he there?
He surfaced and then he...
Oh, I see it.
Where is he?
I saw the worm.
Yeah.
He'll come about. Is that him? Oh. Oh, that was shit.
Let me rehook it actually. It's falling apart now.
Oh, rocky. Fuck! As I say that, I'm about to fall. Alright, we got Kenny Nolan at the fishing rod right now. With the bust out shit.
I know, I kept seeing fish move over here, so I was like, there's gotta be... There's gotta be something.
Dude, if there's a fish that, like, if that bell rings, there's no way I'm gonna get over there. Cause...
Have it bust ass getting over there.
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna fucking bust my ankle.
Hope it just hooks itself.
Yeah, that too. Snag it. I'm gonna get out of here because you know what? My fish might see me. Oh fuck!
Dude, it took.
Oh, you know what? It's a gar, dude. There's no. I mean.
Come on, bro. I almost had it. Oh shit! Just does not want to get hooked, dude.
Well, the thing is, there's nothing in there to get hooked. The mouth.
Yeah.
It has to swallow the hook, and that hook's a little bit too big for that fish. That was a gar though. That was a short nose, I believe.
It's the second time I almost caught that thing, dude.
Kids.
Dude,
That was a good.
that was like a. Catch you, bro.
He's a fucking idiot. That guy.
Dude, that thing's been circling around here for like 20 minutes. I shit you not.
Really?
Yeah. It was over there a little bit, and then it came down here. It was surfacing.
Alright, guys, we got Kenny. We got another rod out right now. He's gonna try to attempt to catch a gar. We almost caught one. It was pretty close, but it didn't fully commit. So, but yeah, whatever. We'll get it, right, Kenny?
We will. If not today, we will tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. All right, guys.
Meat, so I can go to fish.
You want to fish after the meet?
We could.
And then.
What time are we getting back? Anyway?
3 o'clock. We got a cross country meet tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Wednesday, that's gonna be the vlog for Wednesday. All right, 10 a.m. But yeah, we're not signing off yet. Nah, this is too soon. We still got like 30 minutes worth of sunlight. So I'll pop back and forth. But yeah, all right. Peace out. Ooh. All right, guys. Snagged. Second time. I don't know, that was a big splash. Oh, that was over there. Wow, that's huge. We caught one fish. We're gonna go check up on Kenny right now, but yeah, I got snagged twice in like a matter of 10 minutes. All right, let's go check up on Kenny. Oh yeah. Ooh, what was that? So I don't break my ankles. Ooh, that's a... Oh, Kenny, come here. Or let me see if I can get it before anything else. Here, let's see if we can catch a grasshopper. He's right there. Fuck. Jumped. I'm losing balance. What?
Yo, it just fucking fell, dude.
Oh,
in the river.
Holy
I cast it, my rock tipped forward, dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where is he? Oh fuck, I don't see him anywhere. God damn it. Fuck.
Wish I was all around that side of the river.
We could...
Casting all over the place. Oh, there's fish over here too, though.
Yeah. Alright, I was trying to catch a grasshopper, it didn't work. Kenny almost fell into the water because his rod tipped over. There was a dead fish here last time.
Really?
I'm sure it's gone. It rotted. It was a couple weeks ago. A couple videos ago.
Probably, yeah.
I got snagged and my tackle's done. So I'm not fishing anymore, so yeah. All hopes on Kenny now.
What?
All hopes on Kenny. Jeez.
I'm trying to keep my eye open for like fish surfacing right now. I'll just cast it in the middle. I'm trying not to get snagged.
Yeah. I don't know if I should. I don't know. I'm not going to launch the drone anymore. Careful with that stick right there. Floating obstacle. It's pretty. There's current here. There's I know there's snags all around here. Shit. Pretty good fishing, right, Kenny?
It's alright.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow.
For it was nice out. But we got meat tomorrow, so
yeah,
it's gonna go. It's gonna go good. It's gonna go good.
It's gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna take down Air Force Academy, all the D1s. So it was a good fishing. Caught one fish, small fish, but snagged twice, which is ridiculous. But whatever. We're gonna call it a night. Do you have anything to say, Kenny?
Wish us luck tomorrow. Even though you won't see this until tomorrow, you'll see this right when we start racing.
Yep. 10 a.m. I'm gonna drop this at 10 a.m. and we're gonna race at 10. So
right when it drops.
I'm
gonna try and finish my race before this video ends. Before some of you finish watching this video. That probably won't happen. I don't think this is gonna be an hour, half an hour long video.
Yeah, no. Shit. But yeah. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Peace out. Bye.